How you doing? Jason here on how to move to Thailand. Me and my partner now been here for well over 9 years to date. Before we kind of dive into the topic, if you're someone who's been feeling stuck, looking for some guidance on moving here, and wondering how much should I have saved, and where should I live, we've created an audit. What this audit does, it breaks down the numbers realistically if you are actually ready financially and whatever situation you're in, if you're ready to move into Thailand. And we also have a calculator that we created that based on our specific numbers. So just look at it as you're borrowing our living expense before you even get here, and you can understand what you would need on a monthly basis to be comfortably here in Thailand. So now let's kind of talk about why you shouldn't just pick up and decide on one area. And what I mean by that, I recommend you come here, travel to different parts of Thailand. I'm literally, as you can see, I'm in Krabi at the moment. I'm in Krabi, but we live in Bangkok. And it's just a simple 1 hour flight from Bangkok, essentially to getting here to Krabi. So I find people kind of figuring out, they've seen things online and saying like, hey, I'm just gonna move to Bangkok or Chiang Mai or whatever. And I think that the right way we should kind of go about it is, why don't you bounce around first and understand where is going to feel like home, right? Because there's many things we need to take into factor. The costs, right? Obviously, you can live cheaper in Chiang Mai, depending on the area. In Bangkok, expense goes up, and even Krabi, it can be costly as well, right? It's more expensive here in Krabi. So I see a lot of people running into, they don't have their financial situation, figured out. And they kind of just swinging things or winging it, as I would like to say, and think that's the way to go. Look, it will not work out the way you think it will. And that was a $4,000 mistake for myself. With different banking issues in the States, my account got frozen. I had to fly back home because I couldn't have access to my money, right? So we kind of touch on these things, why you need to have multiple bank accounts, just in case. Because remember, you're in a foreign country. It's not like you could just walk into your branch and say like, hey, I need help. No, guess what? You're in Thailand now. So you're like, you have to have different backup plans. And I think it's very, very, very crucial. And I hope you all can kind of take heed to this. You need to take heed. And I want you to, as you're walking with me, I want you to be honest with yourself. Do you truly feel ready to move here to Thailand? Do you feel financially fit? Or maybe your health situation, right? Do you have proper insurance? Right? A lot of people come here, they don't have no insurance, and I'm shocked to find out the proper savings. And I'm like, you're literally doing life. Because one mistake can set you back so much and ruin your plan. So this is why we created this channel, to help people plan, but successfully, right? Because we've done it. We've done it over the years. And if you're looking for some generic type of advice or whatever, obviously it's out there. But if you're looking for someone who truly looking to, help people make the best decisions for themselves or even their families, right? Some people may be looking to move their family over here to Thailand. And I just, and I don't even want to drag this video out. There's no reason to drag it out. But I just wanted to touch on that topic. Make sure you do your proper due diligence, your research, and see where you want to live first. And then let's be honest with ourselves. So thank you for taking your time to watching our channel. Give a like and subscribe, and hopefully this information can be crucial to you all. To see you soon in the lands of smiles, and I appreciate you all for checking me out. See you soon.